NUKK stock, is it a buy or a sell? Where is it going next is the question, and I'm answering that question in this short 1 minute video. So first thing that I'm going to say is that Nucleus stock this last week went up 2700%. That's 27x. 27x is life-changing money, definitely life-changing. Purely like the way that I'm approaching this is I want to take it even higher, but it obviously all depends whether we're going to break this 15-minute high first. This is so crucial. Like now because like we're in between these levels, there's obviously the price will break the highs or the lows first at some point. Like it will not just consolidate forever here. If I see breaks above this high, then you better know that I'm taking it long towards the next target, which is going to be approximately like 78 bucks or so. It's just like this previous high as target. But also like what I'm also not going to do is like buy if the price reaches this low first. So if you break the low, then this is going to be diluted, and I'll definitely keep you updated. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. There's that free newsletter.